Hello guys, so in today's video I'm sharing with you the RYOBI 16 gauge finish nail gun. And I have to be honest with you, at the beginning I was a little bit skeptical about this nail gun, but it has proven to me that it is a dynamic tool to have in my toolkit. As you can see, I'm gonna first start by screwing the small handle here, the metallic handle that will allow me to hang the tool to the wall. Alright, so in order to start working with it, I will be using my batteries. Note that I have here two types of batteries, a small capacity one and a big one, as you can see. And of course, in order to start using it, I will need to add the different nails. Here is the system where you can insert the nails here on the back side. Then they will be sliding to the front, as you can see, just right here. And you lock it up by pressing the small button here. So all you have to do is press it down and shoot. So in front here we have a tool-free depth of drive that will allow me to have the nail really inside the wood or not. Then in order to remove the nails, I will have to pull off the small handle here, as I was showing you at the beginning, and take them off. Alright, so now I'm gonna put them back in order to give it a try on the new wall that I'm building. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. It's not very heavy because it's made of plastic, as you can see, and I have to admit it's a powerful tool. Here on the back I have the pressure adjustment, and as I was showing you earlier, here I can control how deep I would like the nail to be. I have the nail remover here in front. I have to admit that overall this is a huge win in my book, and I hope that it will be also useful for you.